Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you create a Duolingo account. So if you want to create a Duolingo account, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you have to install the app. So type in Duolingo on the search bar and install it. So since I already have installed it, so I'm going to use the browser version. Now due to some security concern, the interface won't appear. So we'll be using a browser version. However, the procedure will remain the same. So when you type in duolingo.com, this is going to take you to the official page. So now then you want to open this up, after which you will be provided with two different options, either to log in or sign in. So once you're taken to their official page, now here what you want to do is simply want to click on. So then you'll be provided with that option. So click on get started. Now here you want to select what that you want to learn, what language you want to learn. So select the flag accordingly. Moving on, you could just go ahead and click on the continue button and start with your registration. That includes providing your email address and all that. And you could also log in or create your account with your Google account itself. And that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.